7 years of 8 Queens journey, bigger moves ahead. 7 years ago, a vision took shape, a vision to innovate, solve challenges, and make a lasting impact. Today, that vision is stronger than ever. This year, we are proud to have worked on projects that truly make a difference. Kalaignar Magalir Urimai Thogai for the Tamil Nadu government, empowering women across the state. Medical legal case intimation system, streamlining legal processes and ensuring the efficient flow of critical information. IT assessment tracking and maintenance application is designed to track projects managed by a specific HOD. It also maintains detailed records of the assets and resources under the HOD's supervision. SRM Student Portal. This app provides the comprehensive information of the students' performance and progress along with their financial details as well as information and notifications. L&T Canteen software, a wallet-based billing software, is utilized. Employees visit the billing counter, place their food orders, and make payments using an RFID card. Once payment is made, they receive a token to collect their food. The system also allows employees to conveniently recharge their wallets through a dedicated URL that has been provided. Our key products include POS systems, hospital management software, hotel management software, Connect, a private social media app, job portals, digital display advertising solutions, e-commerce platforms, GST billing software, and file management systems. We specialize in customizing software according to customer needs. Additionally, our 7-year track record shows 100% project delivery with complete client satisfaction. We have also collaborated with esteemed organizations such as TNEGA Tamil Nadu E-Governance Agency, GCC, Greater Chennai Corporation, JIPMER, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, BIT, Vellore of Technology, L&T, and Christian Medical College Vellore. Our clients are spread across the globe, including the US, UK, Germany, Canada, Malaysia, UAE, and Uganda. However, our most significant growth this year isn't just in our projects, it's in our people. The 8 Queens team has expanded, welcoming new talent, fresh perspectives, and increased drive. At 8 Queens, we have consistently led in web and mobile development, and this year we are broadening our expertise into desktop applications, AI-managed services, and testing automation, further diversifying our capabilities in custom software development. This year has also marked new milestones in our cloud journey. Through our partnership with AWS, we have delivered state-of-the-art cloud management solutions that guarantee scalability, security, and innovation for our clients. And as we look to the coming year, we are scaling even further, from 20 to 100 members, expanding our capabilities to tackle bigger challenges. We have further solidified our relationship with academia by engaging in industrial visits and establishing MOUs with leading institutions such as Sri Manakkula Vinayagar Institute of Technology Puducherry, Swami Dayananda College of Arts and Science Thiruvarur, Dr. MGR Janaki College of Arts and Science Chennai, Karpagam Institute of Technology Coimbatore, Study World College of Engineering University in Coimbatore, and have established strong rapport with SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Panimalar Engineering College Chennai, Sri Sai Ram Engineering College Chennai, Anna University CEG Campus Kindi, Savitha Engineering College Chennai, SA Engineering College Thiruvekkadu, Sacred Heart College Autonomous Tirupattur, EGS Pillai Engineering College Nagapattinam, and more. At the heart of our success is our dedication to delivering projects successfully while valuing our customers' businesses and enhancing their digital presence. As we look ahead, we are eager to embrace new challenges, tackle enterprise solutions, and make an even bigger impact. 7 years of innovation, 7 years of growth. Here is to the journey ahead. 7 years of excellence, bigger moves ahead.